Umtriang ba kajela Conrad kisangma mtakasngi wa pentip hapok ing rawa thawaan ba Sorkar India lembaga North East Frontier Railway klamang Pisa aspa khandai Klur nam taban siwi kebajaka ban sinalan tirel house nem aja khanyaw henrei kani ke Pisa kadang sa hadisi office na kadaw ba Sorkar kamla ban pentrikam na kejingbum yo jaka na kadaw bagi paiba ki persyak loong ba kajing syak Sorkar kakwa ba tirel ka don kam ban kentiu ke yo kakot henrei kamla apat ban syai lai ya kasu jong paiba ya kani wala juba halo ke jingkli ke wan ra do MA ke not Shillong wa ada ban nongrum mentar sngi
requires political department also to be there. So I take this opportunity to stand and to reply to these concerns. So the point mentioned by the honourable member is important. We have been talking in multiple forums about this, and in principle, so there is a resistance to the laying of tracks itself as of now, whether it's for goods train or whether it's for passenger train, more so for the passenger train than for the goods train. But the overall resistance, as I said, is there for the tracks as a whole. And hence, sir, it's more, I guess, holistic in that nature. And therefore, it is not possible for us to be able to move forward. And as I said, that we are very, very sensitive to this entire matter. We would like to carry the people along, especially on an issue like this. And that is why, sir, this has been taking time. I have been discussing, as I said, with the central government. I have met the minister in multiple occasions, and every time there has been pressure on our government to move this forward. And as I said, in the last meeting I had, the minister has hinted towards not moving ahead into the project and asking for the funds to be returned back. So therefore, so this is the critical situation that we are in right now. And to answer very briefly, whether it is goods train or passenger train, right now there is a resistance towards the general laying of railway tracks in the state, sir.
Due to non-availability of land, and that is one of the reasons. So till today the project is cannot go ahead. That is one of the reasons. And also the main reason also, even till today we haven't received any NOC from this council, so therefore couldn't move ahead. Now the project is completely held for the time being. That is why the amount is remaining with DC or Deputy Commissioner in Tribal districts. No timeline, but at least during that time when the project is sanctioned in 2010, so because of the reason that due to the opposition of the local peoples, the project stands still till today. There is no criteria, Mr. Speaker, sir. The thing is that after the sanctions, we need to acquire the lands for land acquisition. This money is for land acquisition. So only when the land acquisition is complete, only then we can prepare the DPR, so we can go ahead with the project. So that is because of the land is unavailable. That is why the amount for the acquisition is still lying with DC of the River district.
Impossible to accept the fact that without having any negotiation, so we just want to get a clear a clear picture. So to get a clear picture, what is maybe the secret negotiation by the state government of Meghalaya with the government of India to avail such an amount? Because I don't think so the government of India will give a huge 200 crores without having any negotiation behind. Please.
Sir, I just want to supplement to the replies being given by the Honorable Deputy CM. Sir, it's actually very simple. There's nothing complicated. There is no secret talk, nothing. This money was given to the state government to acquire the land required for the railways. So it is for land acquisition. And that is amounting to 209 crores and 37 lakhs. Sanctioned, the money was placed with the DC on the 30th of March 2017. So the purpose of this money was for the land acquisition, which could not take place because of local resistance. And as we have clarified many times in the press and to the people, that we would like to carry the people along with us in a very important decision like this. And hence, since there has been a delay, the money is lying unutilized. So it's not meant for construction or for any kind of development. It is for the first and basic purpose of land acquisition. So that's as simple as that, sir. As we could not acquire the land, the money is unutilized, lying unutilized. And we have received a letter from the railways, from the Northeast Frontier Railways on the 17th of December 2024, asking us to refund the amount since it has not been utilized now for the past almost 7 to 8 years. Simple as that, sir. So no land has been acquired. That's the whole point, sir. Because as I said, there is a very strong resistance. We have been speaking to many stakeholders, officially, unofficially, discussing this. But since it is a very sensitive matter, hence government did not go ahead with any land acquisition. The money is lying with the DC. The entire amount is intact. And as I said, now the government of India has asked us to refund the money.